Welcome, and follow me. I have the brand new Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max, and today I'll be testing out this case from Ringke, however you pronounce this. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. Looks like I do have to cut into it, so let's just grab my little trusty knife. There we go. Now, interestingly enough, they do have it labeled right here for iPhone 15 Pro, not Pro Max, but it is 6.7 inches, which is the same size as this. And interestingly even enough, if you flip it to the back, they basically stuck a sticker plus, so for iPhone 15 Plus. So anyway, let's see if it actually fits, because this is a good question. There's some kind of foil inside. Whatever, I'm gonna keep it as it is. And yep, it fits perfectly. Even with my little lens protection, which I have on here, it fits no problem. So there we go. Now, quickly going over the buttons right here. We have access to... I'm pretty sure that was a switch before. Obviously they changed it to a button now. Anyway, so yeah, I thought that they changed to the button this version, not the previous one, but I might be wrong. In any case, this does have a button, even though it's labeled as Plus or Pro from whatever. In any case, it's easy to press. All the buttons are accessible. They don't need to have like any kind of additional force to be pressed, so they function well. In terms of the cutouts and everything correctly, as you can see, it's all accessible. And yeah, everything fits fine. So there we go. And obviously it protects your device quite well. It is a fairly thick case right here. It's nothing like super extensive, and it also has some plastic to it as well at the back. So this is plastic. The frame around it is well, rubberized, obviously. And it is on the thicker side, nothing like super extensive, but it is still gonna protect your device pretty well. And in addition, it does have the little MagSafe magnets right here, so if you have any kind of accessory that utilizes this, you can just kind of like slap it and it will just get magnetized to it and automatically get placed correctly, which is also a pretty nice feature. So there we go, that's the case, and just kind of bring this little case into view. There we go, that's the one. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.